Good day guys, you're watching GBR Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to make a an microphone wire for audio connection or light connection. So in this video we are going to make how to make the proper wiring in the stereo wire cable for the stereo for the XLR. So let's start. So in this XLR we can see the 3 pin. So the grounding is always in the pin 1. You will see the pin 1 here. You see pin 1, pin 3 and pin 2. So the pin 1 is the ground, the pin 2 is the hot or the positive line, and the pin 3 is the negative line or the cold line. You will see the configuration in the back of the mixer or the lightings. In the lightings, the 1 is the ground, the 2 is the signal, and the 3 is the supply. So in the mixer, also in the sounds, the 1 is the ground. When you're using phantom, like you're using a condenser mic or DI box or direct input box, so you need a supply for the DI box or the condenser mic. You need a supply, so you have to switch the phantom mixer, so the supply of the mixer will going to the condenser mic or the DI box. So the lines, the 1 is the ground, the 2 is the signal, and the 3 is the supply or the phantom supply. So you have to be careful, very careful about wiring microphone wires. I have heard many sound system, mga disco mobile, they're mixing damage because of a lack of information about the phantom. So in this XLR, in this connector, we are using Rockstone, cheap Rockstone, but we have also, they have also in the store expensive or the quality, good quality Rockstone connector. So we are going to do is the ground is the pin 1, the red is the pin 2, and the blue is the pin 3. This is how to make proper connecting cables for the sound system and the light, to avoid hissing sounds, some other do not know how to make microphone cables. They have to go to store pa to buy or to made to order. So you can also you will also know that how to repair microphone cables, where to connect if there is this connection. So so here is the pin 1, pin 3, and pin 2. So we're connecting the shielded ground in the microphone cable. Okay, and the pin 3 in the center. And pin 2 for the signal line. Pin 1, pin 3, and pin 2. So we have now the male connector. Let's go to the female. And we are using strands microphone wire. Good quality wire. It have a cloth, what call this, fiber, to avoid it have a fiber cloth for the wire, so that the wire will not be break when stretching. Even if you are not an electronic technician, you will know how to make a microphone wire. So it's still the same in the female connector. The ground is the pin 1, the red is the pin 2, and the blue is the pin 3. Some others, they call this one a PATS cable. So the pin 1, we have the pin 1, the pin 3, and the pin 2. So still the pin 1 is the ground. Okay, we are almost done. So the final testing, the final is to check if the connection is correct. So pin 1 for the ground, pin 1 good. No connection to the other pin. Pin 3 still good. Pin 2 okay. So we have now a patch cable or a microphone connector cable for lightings or gadget stuff in the sound system. So thank you for watching. This is GBR Tech. Bye bye. See you next time.